What is it about Yiddish language and literature and culture that your students connect to?
I think that what they find in the language, first of all, is it is thoroughly Jewish. Yiddish means Jewish. That Yiddish is a vehicle. It opens the door into who they are and where they come from. It's on a variety of levels in a variety of fields. And so there is excitement that is generated just by the language. One of the things that I love to do with my beginners class in particular is watch their faces when they make the connection between the word schrecklich, awful, and oya Shrek, oh, how frightful. And then I say, mm-hmm, and the movie Shrek, and the light bulbs that go on, and the smiles and the laughter that erupt, and that connection that, oh my gosh, here are a bunch of Jewish guys having fun at the expense of everyone by using this common Yiddish word. And of course, always pointing out the influences into English and of course influences of other languages into Yiddish. I start by talking about Yiddish being a fusion language and debunking the whole myth of it not being a language. English is the greatest fusion language, the largest fusion language in the world. And if English can have a Nobel Prize in its literature, so can we, and we do. It's not, being a fusion language is not pejorative. It's not a jargon, as it was called in the late 1900s and early 20th century in the debates about Yiddish. And they begin to understand that it has merit, it has value, and it has something that speaks to them. On all, as I said, on all levels.